Whether you're installing a sliding glass door in your shower or a swinging one, you'll need to start by assembling the frame. Measure the width of the threshold and make a note of the halfway point. Then, measure 5 feet, 1.5 meters up from the bottom of the shower opening to find where the top of the frame will go. Cut the base track to the correct width with a hacksaw. Then file down any rough edges. Use the midpoint you measured to correctly center the base track on the threshold of your shower. Then secure it in place with a silicone sealant. Once the sealant is set, slide the side jambs into place over the grooves on the base track and secure them to the wall with screws. Finally, cut and measure the header rail and fit it onto the tops of the side jambs. If you're installing a swinging door, you'll need to insert a hinge rail into the hinge side jamb and attach the door to that. Sliding doors require some extra pieces, including bumper stops on the side jambs and rollers that will attach to the hanging brackets at the tops of the door panels so they can move smoothly from the header rail. Once you've finished installing the door and any additional fixtures, such as door handles or pulls, fill in any gaps around the frame with silicone sealant. Wait several hours for the sealant to set, then test the shower to make sure there are no leaks.